And just a quick reminder, the quiet zone is in effect on the top floor of all coaches on this train. On behalf of GO and the rest of the operating crew, we'd like to say thank you very much for riding with us. We hope you have a pleasant trip. Orioles, our first station stop.
The quiet zone, by Audible, is in effect on the top floors of this train.
La Quiet Zone, par Audible, se trouve à l'étage supérieur de ce train.
Corlia. Okay, we're supposed to finish up the application. The job.
I'm sorry.
I'm trying to find my pen and my book.
Your one posted date becomes two.
Can you text them, see if we can find him? Say, make sure it goes there because the woman is waiting for it.
Wow. Right. What a, yeah, I found that so annoying. Like, really annoying. I was really annoyed when I saw that. Did you copy me or had she copied me? Oh. Good. Okay, that's good. I'm glad you did that. I'm glad you did that. What a- Yes, yes. No, I need to see it because it really bothered me when she did this morning. Anyway, I should negative, but I just didn't like the approach. I didn't like the approach, especially during our call. She could just send it afterwards to us. Like, we shouldn't need to say it tomorrow, honestly. Okay. Yeah, yeah. It's fine. I don't care. You could have told me to screw off. I wouldn't have cared. Oh, just let her. You know what? I might respond too. I might respond. Oh no. No, I will. I'm gonna respond to that then because that's not our role. Right. No, 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 no. She's on the chip. No. So that's the other. Yeah. So that's why I wanted to talk to you too. Was about time. I was really pissed off today with her and the way she handled it. It was just inappropriate. What? Well, yeah, anyway, there's gonna be changes, so just don't worry about it until, but yes, she is content and yeah, so yeah, changes are coming, so. Exactly. Yeah, exactly, that's all you can do. Don't worry. And thank you for copying me because I like to see these things. She should have copied me, really. She's an idiot. She's an idiot. I presented on the thing. She should have copied me. She's a no way, shape, no. No, I'm glad you did. I don't even know why she copied Toby's. But whatever. Maybe she thinks you're on Toby's team. It's weird. She doesn't. She's new. She doesn't know. But yeah, it was not. I didn't like the tone. Exactly. The more important thing is it's driving to his website, which is OP. And she should have noticed that first. No, oh my God. Seriously, oh my God. Isabel would have done that. Okay, it's all good. All good. That's it. I may respond to that email as well. Alright? I might just to say, like, we're not involved, like, if anything, you know, help the content, I'm not gonna jump in. No, nobody was in anyway. It was like barely anything. That's what I'm about. Okay. Okay, if you have time. He's looking for ideas, that's the thing. But we're not competitive recruiters. Like, oh, yeah. That's not, I mean, don't they talk to each other? We're competitive recruiting. Because why do we need help? Why do we need help? We are client facing. Nobody comes with us. No, just forget it. I mean, yeah, like, yeah, that's, we're not Jack's fault, right? Yeah, me too. Only a little bit. All right, okay. Have a good night. You too. Okay, see you tomorrow. No, okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Hello. Hi, how are you? Are you home? Or I was I know I'm on the train. Yeah, I know. So tell me what happened. You said you were dancing. Apologies. No, I didn't see it. regular costume. Ouais, but then it's fine if you just wear that. Yeah, then but now you should be fine for 6 months.
Now arriving at Oriel.
Arrivé à Oriel.